Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm so happy to share these laundry room makeover videos with you. In this video, we will paint our walls gray. I will also show you 5 different paint samples. I wanted a true gray, but finding the right gray shade was not easy. In the end, the color I eventually chose is certainly a true gray, and we absolutely love it. I'll start off with painting the samples on a piece of white cardboard. First color is white metal. Second is flannel gray. Next is elemental. Next one is mountain smoke. Last one, silver bullet. Here I'm painting the sample colors on a wall facing a window. Okay, here are the sample colors. Okay, let's get closer. The first one is elemental, and the next one is silver bullet, flannel gray, and white metal. And this one is Valspar mountain smoke. Here's the colors again without the additional light. Now here's the samples on a different wall. Here are the colors on a different wall. First one, elemental, white metal, flannel, silver bullet, and this is the mountain smoke, Valspar. Okay, here's the colors without the light. Elemental, white metal, flannel, silver bullet, mountain smoke. Can you guess which color I chose? Flannel gray, yay! My advice is to take your time. Bring home paint chip strips of your favorite grays. Paint the samples on the wall. Most of all, don't rush. Look at the samples in a different light. My first choice came across as baby blue. I hated it, and the dark gray looked awful on my walls. It all depends on the light in your room and the undertones of the paint. Overall, they are all really beautiful grays, but for me, in the end, it came down to which is a true gray with no undertones. I also wanted to have contrast gray walls against the white moldings and cabinets. Goodbye, mountain smoke. Goodbye, elemental and silver bullet. Flannel and white metal. All done. I absolutely love this gray color. It is the perfect gray. And this is how it looks after we installed the crown moldings. I love how they add a touch of elegance, sophistication, and it makes the ceilings look higher. Stay tuned for more of our Glam Laundry Room makeover series. Hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Stay safe and see you next time.